I never expected this, but frying bananas in hot oil turns them into a classic dessert you'd find in a bakery. They taste amazing, and they're very easy to make. Take your bananas, peel them, and cut them into long pieces. Sprinkle a light layer of cornstarch, dip them in egg, and coat them with breadcrumbs. I like using these yellow breadcrumbs. They're finely ground wheat and don't contain any unnecessary additives. They're safe for both kids and older adults, and they work great for frying milk or pumpkin snacks too. Make sure the bananas are evenly coated. Heat your oil to medium-high and fry the bananas for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Once the bananas turn golden and crispy, take them out. The outside is crunchy, the inside is soft and sweet, a snack loved by both kids and adults. Now that you've learned it, try making a batch at home and enjoy.